Guys, Elvis Hunter here one more time, and today we're gonna show you how to use Microsoft Excel to find duplicated data that you will have in a certain column. In this case, with the video, we have the column C, but of course, this can vary from situation to situation. For some of the cases, we know that we might have some times, duplicated names or numbers or IDs, fusions, things that we usually have repeated in one column, but the column next to it or on the opposite way, either right or left, will contain another type of data that will identify that row as an entire registry and different in between them. But sometimes we have a single column and we just want to make sure we don't repeat, a certain amount of items, or maybe we just want one individual item for each specific entity. So we can work with this in a way that we can find the duplicated data or values for each of these cells, and then just work something out with them. So this is really easy to do in Excel. You of course you go and get the range of what you're looking for. You are aiming to find here the duplicated values, so let's just go ahead and select this. You can simply as well click the entire column, which is not bad, but for the terms of this video I'm just going to select this and then just click on conditional formatting, and we will choose from the drop down here the highlight help rules that you see here, and of course another drop down, I will call it another sub item of this menu will come. You have a lot of options here, including an option that says more rule, which of course will give you a lot of rules that you can work with in Excel. But in this specific case, we are going to use the duplicate values that we have here, this option. So let's just go ahead and click on this. Hopefully you are able to see now that Excel by default will give you this pinky color for highlighting duplicated data, but you can always just choose here the type of formatting that you're looking for. You can even select the yellow fill with the dark, the yellow text, as you can see here there, or as you can see in the rest of the options where you drop down, you have the lighter fill. And you can see how this changes as you actually choose another item from this drop down. And of course, you have the option that I like best, which is the custom format. And in this, I usually use the fill for yellow, which is a standard color in some of the cases. And for the font, I just have bold. So that will give me an idea of what is going on. So let's just go ahead and click OK on this one, and then you can see the preview already there, but let's click OK again, and voila. Now you are able to see that you have several values that are repeated, duplicated. So what do we do? Well, one thing that I usually do, I just select the first one and I go to sort and filter, sort A to Z, and this will give me a better idea of what I'm dealing with. So now I can see the duplicated next to, uh, underneath or beneath the, or below in this case, the one that we are duplicating in this case. So how do we do that? We can basically erase each of them individually, or you just click on one of them and then just by pressing the control key you click on the other ones that you just want to get rid of, um, as I am doing right now. And Mario is also repeated, and Sergio it is repeated. And I'll just click right click on it and just click or select the delete option right there. Now you can see that everything is clear. There's no duplicated values anymore, and this looks way better. So Alvis and Hunter here, super happy to be able to bring you these videos. Hopefully they are very useful for you on your side. So if they are, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this between friends and relatives, just for them to be able to use these features from Excel. So I see you in the next video, and now it's time for you to practice and just try to find duplicated data that you might have there. So bye bye for now, and I see you in the next video.